Today, we have an incredible topic to discuss: the numerous benefits of raw garlic. Garlic is not only a popular ingredient in cooking, but also a powerhouse of health benefits. We'll delve deep into each of these 14 benefits to provide you with a comprehensive guide. Number 1, immune system boost. Garlic contains compounds like allicin, which stimulate the production of white blood cells and enhance the body's immune response. This helps the body defend against infections and illnesses. Number 2, heart health. Garlic is known for its cardiovascular benefits. It can lower blood pressure by relaxing blood vessels, reducing the risk of hypertension. It also lowers cholesterol levels, especially LDL cholesterol, reducing the risk of heart diseases like atherosclerosis. Number 3, antioxidant power. Garlic is rich in antioxidants such as selenium and quercetin, which neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. By reducing oxidative stress, garlic may help prevent chronic diseases, including cancer. Number 4, anti-inflammatory. Chronic inflammation is a contributor to various diseases. Garlic's anti-inflammatory properties help reduce inflammation, potentially preventing conditions like arthritis and inflammatory bowel diseases. Number 5, improved digestion. Garlic aids digestion by promoting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, which helps maintain a healthy digestive system. It can also alleviate symptoms of indigestion and bloating. Number 6, detoxification. Garlic supports the liver's detoxification processes, helping to eliminate toxins from the body. This detoxifying effect can improve overall health and vitality. Number 7, cancer prevention. While research is ongoing, garlic has shown promise in reducing the risk of certain cancers. Its sulfur-containing compounds may inhibit the growth of cancer cells, particularly in the stomach and colon. Number 8, cold and flu remedy. Garlic has natural antibacterial and antiviral properties. Consuming raw garlic during cold and flu season can help alleviate symptoms, reduce the duration of illness, and strengthen the immune system. Number 9, skin health. The antioxidants in garlic protect the skin from free radical damage, helping to prevent signs of aging and maintain healthy, glowing skin. Garlic can also be applied topically to treat acne and other skin conditions. Number 10, hair growth. Improved blood circulation due to garlic consumption can benefit the scalp and hair follicles, promoting hair growth and reducing hair loss. Number 11, bone health. Garlic contains essential minerals like calcium and magnesium, which contribute to bone strength and density. Regular consumption can support healthy bones and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Number 12, weight management. Garlic can aid weight management by regulating appetite, helping you feel full for longer. It also supports the metabolism of fats, potentially assisting in weight loss. Number 13, mental health. Some studies suggest that garlic may have a positive impact on mental health. It may help reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and improve cognitive function. Number 14, anti-infection. Garlic's natural antibacterial and antifungal properties make it effective in treating various infections. It can help combat bacterial, viral, and fungal infections, promoting overall immunity. Incorporating raw garlic into your diet in various forms, such as crushed, minced, or even in smoothies, can provide these health benefits. However, it's essential to be mindful of garlic's strong flavor and its potential to cause gastrointestinal discomfort in excessive amounts. Consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice on incorporating garlic into your diet for maximum health benefits. If you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more insightful content. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.